All right, y'all, we back. So listen, Young Thug, Judge Glanville. So it looks like Judge Glanville has just been holding himself above the justice system because he's just denied. I'm gonna play this video. Make sure y'all subscribe, hit that like button, and push me on the algorithm. I greatly appreciate that. Comment what y'all think about this. But I'm gonna play this short video and give y'all my thoughts on what the judge is doing. Check it out.
He must refer the motion to another judge to hear the motion, but if any one of the conditions is not met, there is no error in denying the motion. And motions to recuse are viewed and considered by the appellate court for abuse of discretion. Accordingly, the court is going to address each one of the factors as it pertains to both Mr. Steele's motion and, for shortness, Mr. Banks' motion. I find both motions were timely filed. I find that Mr. Steele's motion was in fact filed on this past Monday, which would have been the 17th of June. I find that Mr. Banks' motion on behalf of Ms. Bumpus was timely filed as it was filed on the filed on the 14th of June at 10:40 p.m. Secondly, I find that in addressing the legal sufficiency of the affidavit, that means was it sworn? Was it sworn before a notary? Is in proper form? I find Mr. Williams and Ms. Bumpus's motions to be, I should say, affidavits to be in proper form. The third thing that the court has to review, and like I said, I reviewed, is the legal sufficiency of your grounds of the motion. And here's where the court finds that upon a review of Mr. Steele's motion and affidavit, as well as Mr. Banks' motion and affidavit, that both contain assertions bare assertions and legal conclusions which aren't sufficient for the court to grant your motion at this point in time and refer it to another judge for it to be heard. So I'm going to deny the motion at this point in time. I invite you all to look at Baptiste versus the state. Just because adverse rulings have been made doesn't mean that the court stops the trial. So I'm going to make that. I'll reduce both of the motions to recuse to an order, and I will file that so you can take whatever steps you need to necessarily after that. But I don't get into anything about the affidavit itself, argument on that. I just have to read it.
So he basically just denied it. He's saying it, and he's not even letting it go to another judge. So it is what it is for it at this point. But this is where I think this is a great spot for Ashley Merchant. I think she's gonna come in and say today, we know she's just been a bulldog when it comes to, getting information and changing things. So I think Ashley Merchant will come in. We'll see what she do. But let me know what y'all think in the comment section. Do you think they're gonna kick this judge off of this case from having an illegal conversation, allegedly, with the prosecution and the witness without the lawyer being present? Let me know what y'all think in the comment section. I'll catch y'all in the next one, man. Peace and love. God bless. Make sure you get your free water test at envirely.com. Here we got Mr. Pollock. He had a cornfield. He took advantage of a free water test from us, and this is what we found in this water. We found sulfur, we found hardness, and we solved these problems with an easy fix of 2 tanks.
So get your free water test today. Stay blessed. Click the link below.